Today we are going to walk you through Veryon's defect analysis solution. This product is already being used by over 25% of the world's commercial fleet, and since our launch to the business aviation community, we have already seen hundreds of aircraft enroll in this powerful solution that helps mitigate the risk of AOG events and enhance fleet reliability. Let's jump right in. Here we are on the Defects tab. To put it simply, this tool takes the data from all the pilot reports and maintenance reports of documented non-routines, creating your own personal separate database of every single squawk that has occurred across the fleet and every corrective action that has been taken to fix the problem. The information is neatly placed here in an intuitive environment powered by advanced technology and backed by the world-class Veryon team members supporting each individual account. This unique reliability and tech ops solution is capable of ingesting the required data from any M&E system, so there is no barrier to entry regardless of your chosen M&E provider. It can also be up and running in less than 45 days. You heard that correctly. The software can be fully implemented in as little as 4 to 6 weeks, and the feedback is that it's showing tangible ROI less than 30 days after implementation. Fast, intelligent, comprehensive, and user-friendly. The data can be tailored to your user preference and may be filtered down to highlight items such as fleet type, ATA chapter, a subset of tails, defect class, risk category, fix rates, and more. With options for near real-time feedback, just imagine coming into the hangar in the morning, pouring a cup of coffee, and being able to quickly scroll over all of your unscheduled write-ups, the corrective actions that were taken, and quickly set up new alerts for watch items across every ATA chapter, fleet type, and tail. This is Veryon Defect Analysis. Did a recent issue pop up? Find it quickly via quick search. For example, how many flight departments get picked on for Wi-Fi connectivity? Whether it's for boardroom meetings, following up with clients, or Saturday morning cartoons for the principal's kids while heading back from overseas meetings, Wi-Fi disruptions can absolutely impact the mission. Veryon has you covered with quick insights that lead to faster resolutions, reduced defect occurrences, and more uptime for your fleet. You can create alerts for those specific defects so that you can monitor them more closely with notifications coming right to your mobile device. Here, I will create an alert for all tails across all ATA chapters and focus this example on potential Wi-Fi in-op write-ups. We'll save that alert. Now the system is combing the data and identifying which defects are occurring more frequently than others. These are classified as chronic defects and can be easily found under the Chronics tab, neatly clustered here in this window. Each one of these lines is a cluster of defects. You can manipulate the clusters coming into the system with auto tags, and these auto tags can be based off of days, hours, or cycles consumed, and then drawn from a date range of your choosing. For example, if a defect occurs 3 times over 10 cycles, our reliability and tech ops teams want to know about it. The same goes for 2 and 10, 6 and 30, and so on. As these chronic defects pull in, you can easily see the status based on a simple to follow color legend that shows new chronic defects, verified and updated items, as well as items due to close. Now, once you click on a chronic, you can see every occurrence across that time frame. Now, a powerful differentiator is that the Veryon defect analysis tool is clustering defects based off of the specific write-up description rather than the ATA. While technicians and pilots do their best to get the ATA chapter right every time, all of our fleet managers out there know just how easy it is to accidentally miscode an ATA to the actual root cause of the problem. But by focusing our NLP on the description write-up, we can capture all correlated issues and quickly reject unnecessary squawks or validate items of true concern regardless of the inputted ATA. You can then start to analyze those corrective actions as you work to identify the final fix. This analysis tool is proving to reduce recurring defects, aircraft downtime, delays, cancellations, and keeps your aircraft where they belong, in the air, flying. Seeing which chronics are affecting the fleet allows you to share them across the organization for more visibility. This allows you to actively share data between teams, make comments, and share chronic repeat offenders to all users at all bases so that the final fix at your base becomes the first fix at the next. By quickly being able to review the corrective actions taken against a squawk and see which one had the highest success rate is helping teams ensure that any tribal knowledge at one base can instantly be shared with everyone in the operation. Right out of the box, the Veryon defect analysis tool adds incredible value. If you are able to eliminate one AOG using these insights, it could pay for itself. Now imagine what a 10% reduction in AOGs would mean to your operation. Now, Veryon is constantly investing in our products. The future of this tool is our built-in initial symptom profile information that will begin to allow you to not only see fix effectiveness rates per corrective action, but also will allow you to start benchmarking your fleet against the global de-identified Veryon fleet. This solution also has the capability to hyperlink into your documentation platform for ease of reference and regulatory action. And all of this can be neatly sorted in dashboards that work for you and are easily accessed via your phone, tablet, or laptop. Here you can monitor total tails, number of defects, which fleet type is giving you issues, what ATAs are popping up the most, and which bases are causing us the most headache, all while monitoring your fleet reliability against the global Veryon fleet. Faster insights, a transparent view, and a powerful way to increase fleet reliability and proactively reduce AOG events across your fleet. Please reach out now and let's get you a formal demonstration so that you too can experience the power of Veryon defect analysis.